we're going to go back onto the Poulan Pro 255 project. Brought the cylinder back from work. I still got to clean it out a little more. I just gave it a good blow job at work and then wiped it clean, but it's a lot cleaner than it was. There's still a little bit of dust in there, so first plan of attack is to get this clean, make sure the piston and crank are clean, and just get that part back together, get the moto seal setting for that, because that is importante, muy importante. So I'm just going to pause you guys. This will be a quick video, because you saw me take this apart. You can watch the video of me taking it apart. This is basically just going to be backwards, obviously. So anyways, I will see you in a bit. So I've been online and stuff, well, on Facebook and stuff. There's a lot of idiots on Facebook. A lot of smart people too, but a lot of idiots. You bring up these Poulan Pros like the 255, and you tell them it's like, oh, it's the same saw as like a Husqvarna 141 or a 41 or a 36. Like, no, it's fucking cheap crap. Well, you know what? That's all I gotta say about that. Made in fucking Sweden. Made in fucking Sweden, because it's same thing. There are differences, but mechanically, it's the same shit. Yeah, so we got the 255 all back together. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna go to the shed, put the bar and chain back on it. Test fire tonight, I think, because why not? I'm not gonna put it to wood today. I'll do that tomorrow. I got the day off tomorrow, so in the morning I have to go pick up a skill saw 1632C, which is same as a partner P55, I think, or something like that. I'll have to look into it, but it's $30, and I have the day off, so I'll go grab that. But yeah, so take this outside, give her a whirl. So here, YouTube, I got the Poulan Pro 255. This is the first run after porting it. Everything's basically the same carb setting. I just richened the carb up a little bit. I think it needed it anyways, so we'll see how she goes. Make some adjustments. I'll be right back. Okay, so I fattened up the low end a bit. That's about it. So here we go.